Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you a door call in a cabinet store. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first thing first. So some of the door, this is the normal door, right? So you right click, door panel type, we change the panel type which is have door call. Alright, so come to modeling door. When you select it, as you can see, full frame arc core door or anything like that. Those will have frame like this, right? So usually they will have a door call, right? So I show you a example. Okay, right, I want this, right? Add another one. Same modeling door. So this one I go full frame, right? So maybe I just take this one. Okay, next. Okay, modeling door, full frame. So really, I take this one 45 degree, all right. So I take this one. Okay. Next, I select this one. So same thing, panel type. So change the panel type again. So this time I go with 90 degree. Okay, I take this one. Okay, got already. Alright, next, panel type, modeling door, frameless. Alright, so maybe I guess get this one. Alright, outdoor not support. Alright, never mind. I change another one. Panel type, modeling door, frameless. Okay, let me see which to use. Maybe just use this one. Alright, so each of them, the door is like that. So of course you can see their pattern is inside. Right. To change the door call, select. So let's say I select this inside one. Right click, door panel. As you can see, door call style. So this one you can't change in here. See, I can't change in here. Okay, I can just change in here. So let's say come to door call. Okay, so that's fire tag. So let's say I go for number one. So this one you can anything you can just go see through lah. Alright. So after that you can see through inside. You see, you can see inside. Right. Next one, this one. Or I can show another pattern. Door call net. So I give it this one. See, I can see through it. Right. Next, this one. Door call. So I go try this one. Okay. So another pattern. Door call style. So door call. So this one I go for modeling. Maybe this or this. Okay, maybe I try this. Okay. You can get a pattern. Right. Then next door call. So this one is glass. So see what type of glass you want to use. Clear glass, black glass, see, gray glass, so many types. So let's say I just go for this one. Right. See, as you can see through inside. Yeah, I can slightly see a little bit. Okay. Then this one, same thing. Door call style. Oh wait, this is not door call. Oh, so this is not door call. Okay. So you're more or less. Oh yeah. So since it's like this, right? And then, if you feel you correct already, you can actually also use this one. Select it. Style painter. So you paint the same thing. Alright. Okay. So otherwise, if you don't want, you can just right click for here. You can change everything one whole shot. Also can. No problem. Alright. So hit the like button and subscribe. Okay. Bye.